Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to do engine flush on this car. So let's see the engine oil right now. The engine flush that I'm gonna be using is this one. I paid for this, I didn't get this for free, so stay tuned. It's very nice. The good thing about this is you don't need to change the oil. You just put it in the used oil, let it circulate in your engine for 15 minutes, and then you change it with a new filter and put new oil in there, and you guys will see how much sludge comes out of the engine. Okay, let's put this in the engine oil. So let's start the car. It's gonna run for 15 minutes because the timer on this remote is 15 minutes. I'm gonna let it run for 15 minutes. I'm gonna shut off the camera and I will turn it back on when it's ready. The engine is warming up slowly. Last year I changed oil on May 27th, and this year it's past May 27th, but I hardly driven this car more than 1,000 miles because it's most of the time parked. While running the engine flush in engine oil, make sure you don't press the accelerator. Okay, so leave it idle, let it do its magic, and then when you guys drain it, you guys will see how much sludge is coming out of the oil. The engine turned off by itself because that remote start has a timer of 15 minutes. So let's see how bad is the old engine oil. Get inside. remove the oil cap and the dipstick so it can drain properly. Let's see. It's pretty bad. Look at the color. I mean, I change engine oils frequently. I'm not a guy that just wait and wait and wait. I love my cars and I really take good care of my cars. But look at this oil. I've changed it and I haven't driven it for too long, and look at how dirty it is. I close the drain plug and now I'm going to remove oil filter. Very dirty, even though I frequently change my car's engine oil. But look at this. Now let me compare what was on the paper towel. This is how it looked like before I added engine flush to it, and let me try it. You guys can see the difference. All this dirt is taken out by engine flush. Before engine flush, it looked like this. So this is all the carbon. Okay, let's remove the filter now. Filter on this car is very easy to remove. This can be bought at Walmart, $5-6. All you gotta do is just look at this towel again. This was before I added that engine flush, and this is after I added that engine flush and running it for 15 minutes. You guys can see. The new filter is in, old is out. This is the filter number. It will fit any car that has 2UZ-FE engine. Okay, let's fill it up with oil, new oil, and look for leak. And that's gonna be the end of this video. I added a little bit less than 7 quarts. I'm gonna fix the amount once I let the car park on flat surface. And it's good to check it in the morning so all the oil is sitting in the sump, and then add more as you need. Let's fire it up. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Look for oil leak. It was quite before, but it's a little bit smoother than before. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and this is the end of this video. Bye.